All right, fluency. Fluency is ease and accuracy, and students should have ease and accuracy with calculating the volume of cubes and the volume of solid figures. So what are some of the ways that we can practice that? Let's see. So here I have an open container, and there's my unit cubes that I just used earlier. Here I can fill that container with those unit cubes to then calculate the volume of this cube. Now I can provide cubes of varying sizes, and students should work together. Often you're going to want some pretty small things, especially if you're using the centimeter cubes, or fairly large containers if you're using the snap or Unifix cubes. Now students should record the volume and talk about the length and the width and the height, and this will allow for later discussion. Another fluency activity that you could consider is the volume challenge. Here you're going to provide students with 8 cubes. They should create a chart with the headings of length, width, height, and volume. Then they should build as many variations as they can and calculate their volumes. Now we said with 8 cubes, you might actually use more than that, but that's always a good starting point for students. One other way you can practice fluency is getting students to think about which one doesn't belong. So here students have to calculate the volume of these different figures, and they have to figure out which of these does not belong. Here's a student-generated which one of these does not belong. Here, students figure out that that one doesn't belong. So now I would like you to push pause and consider which fluency activities will you use to help students build fluency with three-dimensional figures.